You can create large images in different ways. One way is to use the function from the ND Acquisition tab. Let's say that we want to create a tiled image 3 by 3, altogether 9 tiles, with a Z of 35 micrometers with 2 different optical configurations. Let's see how long it will take to create this tiled image. It will take almost 5 minutes to create this tiled image. There is another way in which we can create a tiled image, which goes much faster. The idea is that each tile that forms a large image is acquired independently, and after all the points are acquired, the large image will be assembled together. So let's see how we will do that. First, we will tick off the large image tab, then the acquisition. We will keep the position for the time being where we are, so we know around which position we want to create the tiled image. We'll keep the same number of Z, and we will also have the same 2 optical configurations. But now we'll use this custom button, which is found in the XY tab in ND Acquisition. If you push that button, a new small window will pop up. Here, again, we will be able to define how big our large image should be. Let's have it exactly like previously, 3 by 3. Here we also have to pay attention that we choose the correct objective for imaging. And we push the Finish button. When this button is pushed, another small window will pop up, which will warn you that whatever you had in the XY tab will be replaced by the new position which were created, and that which will form your large image later on. So each tile now is considered as a position. All we have to do now is to push the Run Now button. As you can see, it goes very fast, and it will take around 29 seconds to finish it. And here you can see the Z stack, which for each of the individual positions, which are actually your tiles, which we will use to assemble your large image. How to assemble this into a large image? We go to Image, and the Processing, and all the way down, Stitch Multipoint to Large Image. And here is our large image. Looks exactly the same as the one we acquired previously, only that it took probably no more than 30 seconds altogether to acquire it.